Rahim. Dear student, welcome to Asad Mathematics channel. Dear student, we have discussed today lecture some important question of factorization. Now let's start today our lecture. So the first question of factorization is that uh, 3z square plus 7. Now we going on to factorize 3z square plus 7. So first of all, we split the plus in the two minuses. So here you see that plus we replace by double minuses. Now in the next step, 3 written in square form. So square root of 3 uh, is whole square is equal to 3, and z square minus 7, and 7 into minus 1. Now in the next step, square root of 3 square z square minus, and then 7 is also written in the square form. So square root of 7 whole square, and instead of minus 1 we replace it by iota square. So now each term we can easily write in the square form. So square root of z whole square minus square root of 7 iota whole square. So you see that here we apply easily a square minus b square formula. So we apply here a square minus b square formula. So a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So here square root of z, square root of 3 into z plus square root of 7 into iota into square root of 3 z minus square root of 7 iota. So here we easily factorize 3z square plus 7 into these two factors. So here complete the first question. Now move to the next question. So our next question is that p of z means polynomial, and the next polynomial which is going on to factorization is that z cube minus 2z square plus z minus 2. Now the first two terms we see that clearly z square is common, so we taking z square from the first two terms, and the next two terms we get plus 1 common. So here the next step, z minus 2 is common, z minus 2 is common, z square plus 1. Now we going on to factorize z square plus 1 into two factors. So the same thing which will be happening the first question. Here we plus split into two minuses. Now minus 1 replaced by iota square, and here we apply also a square minus b square formula. So z plus iota and z minus iota. So dear student, you clearly see that polynomial of z we easily factorize the terms into three factors: z minus 2, z plus iota into z minus iota. So today our lecture is completed. Any problem in the factorization question, so you comments and subscribe Asad Mathematics channel for the coming lectures.